You're live?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
You can announce it.
Yep. I need to put a thumbnail.
Can you post this in the old server too? So
Yeah.
maybe you can get more audience. What a great thumbnail, bro. You need to change your title too, so you can attract more viewers. Change it to like trading Nasdaq, ES, YM.
Should I just put like a block as like?
Just go to my channel, go to live, and just copy my
By the way, I'm live right now. Just.
Oh yeah. Just take it. Yeah, it's fine.
Hey Snows, hey Jake, hey David, hey Hyuk. Yo, everyone is popping in. I hope my volume's okay. I put my mic a little closer. If it's too loud, let me know.
Yeah, you sound fine. It's the short.
Let's see what it is. So, I'm still doing my pre-market, guys. By the way, drop a like for a minute. Thank you, Snows. Yeah, right now my thoughts right now are pretty, like, wait until equities for clear direction. But there is a previous week high, 4 hours.
It's previous week high, previous session high, previous 90-minute high SMT. I'm just saying.
Yeah. And
clear sell side liquidity below. Clearest lower price I've ever seen.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, we're looking for that too. I'm like higher time frame, which is so bullish, but I could see a sweep lower first. I'm in short from the 15-minute inversion for that again. Let's see. Oh, okay.
Oh, you're already in?
Nice.
Oh.
Snows.
Okay, nice.
Fire.
Nice.
I will probably not be participating in this trade, but I hope you.
Yeah, I might just have to wait. I might just have to wait for equities open. It's getting pretty close. And then if we get a purge on the sell side, I'm gonna look for a long.
Exactly. And also keep in mind, so I put 90-minute premium discount, so you can see we're in premium right now. So I don't want to do anything.
I'm gonna tweet. I'm gonna tweet your thing.
Oh, I have to get my socials again. I have to get back my X account and stuff. I see pre-market. My thoughts are 2R to lows. I'm not even at fair value gap and look for long. Yeah, I wouldn't. I mean, just go whatever objectively you think makes sense. But if you are higher time frame bullish as well, then yeah, that sounds like a good plan. Almost like catching a retracement or kind of a sweep and then doing your thing. You're doing FTMO, right, Snows? Is FTMO?
I just entered a half risk sell here.
Overflow putting 2 ones.
Yeah, I don't love the entry point I have right now, so I put a half risk sell.
The trend is your friend, and what I've come to realize. Yeah, for sure, Snows. Yeah, I think last week Ethan and I were we like had like signals that like we wanted to like short stuff, but then just narrative and order flow just like dominated. So yeah, I was down last week a little bit too. Did Ethan say full port? Let me everyone run that track back. I think he said full port.
As I said, half risk, man.
I think he said take a loan and no, I'm kidding. Not financial advice, guys. Port. Guys, that is leverage, guys. That is leverage.
That is leverage is crazy. I'm taking off my TP because I want to see if this can run. Previous week low, here we come.
I'm almost done. Give me a sec, guys. I'm just gonna finish up my pre-market.
Guys, soon these streams will be a lot better production quality wise. We'll have like cam on and everything, but as of right now, this is just the start.
I'm sorry if you guys hear my clacking. I'll get a silent keyboard.
Yeah, I hear the clacking.
I'll get a silent keyboard eventually, guys. I swear.
Can you just take the switches in my other keyboard?
Yeah, I will probably do something like that, or just buy a set or something.
Oh, just buy a nice keyboard.
I mean, maybe. I don't know.
Fire.
I like the switches. I just don't want to put in the effort to switch out the every single key. I mean, it wasn't even that bad, to be honest. It's pretty quick, to be honest. Losing streaks. I'll check the chat in a sec, guys. Just I'm fishing up. Sorry for clacking. The thok.
You good, bro? See if we can get let's see what 930 wants to do here. Did we purge that sell side yet? Not yet. Not through.
I'm not even pay attention to the market until I finish my pre-market. So if you guys want to watch equities open, just look at your own chart. Because this is non-negotiable for me.
I'm watching a 1 minute fair value gap right now. I can't lie. Off equities open. See if I can hold and purge that sell side resting
It's
below.
you, Ethan ICT. No, I'm not Ethan ICT. Ethan ICT is the other guy I call. I am Elijah SMT.
Elijah SMT, bro.
I haven't even made a name yet. I'm unnamed, bro. But as the markets are always there, ready to boom. Okay. Done my pre-market. Perfect on 9:30, guys. Let you look at this. I would guess like Ethan's entry, something like this, on the 5-minute change of state.
It was the 5-minute change in state.
Yes, sir. Eli FX. Oh yeah, let me catch up. Take your stop loss away too. BTC. Yo, this guy just keeps coming in and saying Bitcoin. Looking for the 945, 15-minute fair value gap side.
I think I'm bearish on Bitcoin until 100K, to be honest. Looks like a good run on sell side. And also after that, you got like 92K.
Rag in the blood. Welcome everyone, welcome if you're new here. Welcome. We just chilling. To be honest. No 5-minute SMT on the lows. Yeah, that'd be ideal. That's exactly what you want to look for.
I wonder if YM can create this 5-minute SMT on the high.
If it creates that and creates a change of state on NQ, I'll take something. But for now, I am pretty sidelined. So I don't know. This short, you can either take it to like center expansion. You can take it to if you use SMT theory, you can take it to. I mean, you can put
previous week low.
Yeah, previous week low. I would say it's slightly ambitious for one day, but like you never know. Markets can do whatever it wants. So
I'd simply just take it to a discount of the higher time frame range as of right now, or the intermediate term time frame range.
yeah, so like somewhere right here, you guys can take it to like here if you guys are in the short. If you want to like trade the chart, not your heart, guys. So even if it goes after, even if it doesn't, whatever, you made your profit, right? You took your cut from the market. So I'm just gonna wait. There's nothing too interesting to me yet.
That displaces lower. You're like, I'm in.
Just kidding, guys. I've been this whole time. No, I'm kidding. I'm not. I'm not. I've been feeling too good about my plan and consistency to just go in without any confirmation for me.
Yes, sir.
So not anymore. So mark out this. So as you guys can see, 4-hour wick to body sequential SMT. That is what's giving me direction for now. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh wait, I should.
You guys gotta give the thumbs up,
I
and
am
subscribe,
not in
everybody.
this trade. It's an idea. This high chart.
Oh, you can do the anchor text at the top of your chart.
Yeah. Ethan's in this trade. There you go. First thumbs up. Yes, sir. Thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I gave you a thumbs up.
Thumbs
You're
up,
welcome.
thumbs up. Oh my goodness, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You're so up.
So if we are bearish here, I'm watching the sell side. Are we able to get a clear acceleration through these sell side liquidity pools, or is it gonna be lackluster? Because I'm watching London low since we have a London high SMT. I want to see if we can get a clear acceleration through it.
Order filled. Yeah, you dog smash the like button. Click the bell notification. So if you guys took this, this would be one of your bullets. It looks half decent. Yeah. Not much to say about this. You'd want to see previous session low invalidated if you want to aim. Actually, yeah, you just want to see previous day low invalidated and probably displaced through. Maybe creating a gap as well. That would be the most ideal in the ideal world. But we'll see.
One thing to keep in mind is we are trading into our new week opening gap right now. You want to see this act as acceleration as well. See price just shoot through it instead of supporting higher. If we get displacement higher, then it's most likely going to be a bullish bias for today after purging the sell side.
I'm hoping 5 minute for value gap through London low to ride 50% of the intermediate term range. Yeah, that would be ideal, man. Let's see what we can get. So, still haven't taken anything. I like to keep that in mind. To mention that. I'm only definitely a fan of this. Gives me a nice change in state, maybe with a 5-minute as well. I was waiting for you on your YouTube channel for your live.
Well, we're live on Elijah's channel now.
Yeah. Dang, you've been waiting for a while, huh? Because he hasn't streamed on his YouTube in a minute, if I remember. When was the last time you streamed on your YouTube?
I don't remember. I think it was like before Christmas, right before Christmas.
Yeah. My stops at the most recent high on the 15-minute.
Looking very
very,
good. Once again, you just want to see acceleration here if it's gonna go lower.
That does look pretty good. Snows.
You just tapped into London low, so see what reaction we get here.
Honestly, this makes me a little bullish.
Yeah, this displacement right now. I think I might get stopped at break even here.
Check the 1 minute.
This is the new week opening gap as well, so something to keep in mind.
If I see that log, this that log, I'll put it on for you guys. I don't really look at logs too much, but I'll put it on. No confirmed SMTs from me yet.
Yeah, you'd have to wait for a 15-minute change in state here, I think.
Let's be patient for candle closure, guys.
Just watching what price wants to do here because it just swept out those 5-minute highs. So if we can get displacement here, that's ideal. Amazing. This is exactly what I want to see. And watch us just go sideways here.
I don't say that. Okay. So, since this didn't create a change of state, I hope if this closes below this order block right here, or if it does create an order block, then I'll take a stab.
Waiting since last year. Yeah, maybe I should start going. Maybe I should start going live again.
Bro's been waiting for a minute, dude. What I said? Oh, I said if this 5-minute candle closes below these two candles here, these two bodies, creates a 5-minute order block, I will enter off of it, and put my stop above the change in state, and that will be one of my bullets. What would let you confirm the entry? Change in state as of right now, but I have nothing. I gotta wait 2 minutes.
My stop's at break even right now. If it taps me out, it is what it is.
With the way it's generating buy side, not my favorite. Just probably my target would probably realistically be just whenever price hits discount on any market. Like something like that, a little like 3R. But I'll have to see. It looks like it's not, might not create the change in state. But and with the way it's reacting off things and like the wickiness, I'd want it to see it displace instead of just generating more buy side. That would not be fun. So even if, honestly, even if this creates a change in state, I might give an order block. I might give it a second as well, even after that, because of the wicks and just the way it looks, and it doesn't look that great with these big old wicks. But wine could be front running as well.
I think it looks good right now. Like as of this moment, I wouldn't really want price to return back to the 940 high because that was the liquidity purge of those 5-minute candles prior.
Okay, so it looks like we'll have the change in state. I'll see if it taps back in or maybe. Wait, actually, we did not have the change in state.
It did not create
We
the change
did
in
not
state.
change the change. I did not have an entry.
Did not change the change in state.
Yeah, did not change the change in state. The state did not.
This is why you wait for candle closure.
Exactly. Here's a lesson, guys. No change in state. Nothing from me. If it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Whatever.
I'm not a fan of this PE, I can't lie, but I'm at break even, so it's a risk-free trade.
Very choppy, yeah. Animal. What's risking whopping $77? Yes, no. I mean, brick by brick, brother. I mean, I had a trade where I risked like $50 and I was able to make like 400 or 500. Like, I feel like it just really depends on the conditions and like your stops and stuff. Sometimes you can actually risk really low. Depends on your entry and plan.
See if I can break out of this opening range towards the downside. My eye is on 21376.5 right now, and that's gonna be a pretty key level for me. Because if we start order pairing here and start pushing higher, like, I'm out of this. See if we can accelerate through this low. Now we are entering the territory of a 90-minute fair value gap. Once again, new week opening gap is being traded through right now, so I'd want to see speed through it.
So, original trade idea could be somewhere up here. Like this. Like they're taking it like right here, pretty much. But I was doing my pre-market, so, and I have no regrets.
No regrets.
No regrets. Sometimes you just gotta.
I think there's gonna be a long opportunity later, to be honest. Probably like PM session or something. If price can create those SMTs on the lows within a discount.
Make this into like a. I'm turning off NWOGs. NWOGs are so. Make my chart so ugly. What is just tap?
I trailed my stop loss into 1R of profit just to secure some sort of profit here. I don't want to see any sort of trade above this displacement as of right now, because that would signify to me that we're just straight up continuing the bullish bias on the higher time frame.
Yeah. Up to everyone's plan, but if I was in this trade, I'd be keeping a heavy eye on 21336. That's the middle of the premium discount for me, at least.
Yeah, that's the same as me.
Yeah. So just keep an eye on that. If it's a part of your plan, of course. You could always take partials if you want to secure, move, trail. I believe Ethan's trailing. Yeah, whatever your plan is, guys. Keep in mind you're trading against like massive candles.
Yeah, you are trading against the trend if you take the short, by the way. So you need to be very conservative here, in my opinion.
Exactly. Trade the chart, not your heart, guys. P1. I probably have too much going on my screen, to be honest, but let me delete some things. Just let it right out. Anyone take this short?
I did.
Me.
Thank you, Elijah, for the signal.
I'm not gonna W signal. Oh, look at the. Was it Keith? Keith was talking about like a long on Bitcoin yesterday, and he caught like the bottom.
Who?
I'm pretty sure Keith or something.
Yeah, Keith catches everything, man.
And
Bitcoin moving nice though for a short.
Yeah. Oh, good job, Snows. Good eats. Good job,
Good
Jake.
eats, brother.
Good try, Jake. Why did I mark this high for some reason? Now that I think back. Oh,
All right, I'm up 1 R on the day.
Yeah, I would. Yeah, no worries, knows. You're doing amazing, man.
This is where you could potentially start framing longs, to be honest. If you get a clear entry signal here.
Yep. I would ideally like to see some sort of clear SMT on the lows, but I mean, you do have a wick to body, so not the worst thing in the world.
Yeah.
So remember, as mentioned earlier, our higher time frame bias narrative is longs, is bullish. So that is why we're giving more.
Flipping.
We're flipping, yeah, pretty much. But like that, why we like the displacement upwards more. So yeah, that's why we said to be conservative, guys. It didn't even hit my TP, like wouldn't have even hit my TP1. But then if I saw this change in state, I would have been out. So like this kind of the candle, like you're just if it closes like this, you're just trading hopes and dreams, right? Hitting with YM and 15-minute precision candle, yeah. Exactly. Good ice nose. So I think after this 15-minute change of state, I will take a stab. Or 5 minutes, sorry. Not 15, my bad. Take a stab into a long. Probably targeting Asia or something. That would make the most sense. The R is not great, actually. I might not do it. I lied. Not big fan.
You can just wait here, I think.
Yeah. Like the.
That's a very bullish 5-minute candle.
This is the thing with trading against giant candles, guys. But it can still do whatever right now. We just need more extra confirmation. I just give us some time, guys. It's gonna be just a lot of waiting. It's just how it be. Break even? Nice, Jake. Risk free. You can relax now. Let's see if this created any SMTs on the highs. No, I didn't.
Watching London low right now. Let's see how we react.
Looking at the return to 1 minute for that gap, opening of the yeah, it's true. And the 1 hour is about to close. You're right. Something to keep in mind. I should probably not even put a tool there. I know I'm putting a tool there. Let's wait and see, guys. Doesn't look too eventful, to be honest. We can just.
I'm just waiting for London low to do something.
If nothing happens by like 10:30, I'm gonna hop off. Not really interested in anything. sus. So when you do something, what do you mean? What do you mean? When I do something, what do you mean? When you so do something, what do you mean? I'm confused. I'm sorry. Sus indeed. Sus indeed. I don't know. Sorry, Ethan was saying he's waiting for London Low to do something. Okay, yeah, Ethan.
I'm just waiting for London Low plus change in state delivery. Right now, we don't have anything.
Yeah. On my end, it changed and stated though. I will say that.
I'm trading NQ.
Yeah.
I'm up 1R on the day though, so it's not bad. So I might not even take another here if it's just choppy.
She's still on the 5-minute. If it's on based off 15-minute SMT, it'd be a 15-minute change in state you're looking for. Though a 5-minute does not help. Doesn't hurt at all, of course. Why not also have that? But we would be waiting off a 15 change state if we're basing off 15-minute SMT. It looks very sideways. That's the only thing I can say.
Yeah.
Lord FX, yo, what's up? Lord ZFX. I guess it'd be Lord's FX, I guess. My fault. Funny how you're long. Yes, sir. I mean, yeah, I don't think it's a horrible idea. There's a 15-minute on the lows. And sweep of Suicide. I think since this morning, Ethan and I have been bullish, like on the higher time frame at least. So we're just seeing what's gonna happen now. So I hope your long eats, bro. I think I might get into something too if I get a 15-minute confirmation. Then I'll get into something as well. It'll look something like this. Like if this does confirm this, I'm not getting in a trade right now. I just want to preface that, guys. But I don't. This wick would be kind of fat, but something like it'd be like something like that. And you can take it to like previous session high if you want to be safe. To R, you can take it to Asia. Whatever your plan is, guys. Yeah, we must eat. Yeah. Hopefully, we'll see. I might just have nothing today with this PA so far. I don't know if it's creating.
It's just going to the right of the chart right now, so.
Yeah. Nothing's clearly telling me any direction right now, so I'll just play it safe for now. I think my stops is in the candle low. Yeah, that's not bad. Stop. Or like these candle lows, like here, 10:01. It's a very tight stop if it is. Today's choppy though. Yeah, it's choppier. We did have a nice expansion yesterday that we caught. But hey man, happens. Accumulation.
It's looking more bearish than bullish as of right now.
Screen gone black. Oh, I think it's whenever I tab out of trading view. No, no wick 90, 950. Am I tweaking? Screen's black again? Sorry about that, I need to fix that somehow. Give me a sec.
Maybe like 10:30 there might be an SMT, but as of right now there's nothing. 15-minute looks hella bearish.
He's feeling the clicking ASMR. Yeah. My mic is pretty sensitive. I know. What days am I going live? Right now I'm just planning to do like every day whenever I trade. So this could have been the trade idea from earlier. If you guys took this, something along the lines of like here, I have to change the state. 15-minute high. Previous session low. I've seen who I'll be watching live. Trading alone is boring. Yeah, for real. Trading with friends or trading with like people in the community is like a billion times nicer. I'll say that. Bounce ideas off each other, you know? This would be GP2. This would be GP1. I did not take this trade, but this would have been the idea for today. Because I was doing my pre-market. And this is also too early. This is like 8 a.m. trade, so I usually trade 9 and 10:30. Between 9 and 10:30, so. Very ugly trade, I will say though. So, but probably because it's trading counter trend. I'm probably gonna end stream a little early, because there's nothing, at least for me. If you guys have some sort of model to trade this, this kind of like chop, then I mean go for it. But for me, it's not good. No bueno. And news days are tiring. The candles are strolling. Yeah, for real. I mean, sometimes I can be clean though, which is like kind of odd. But I think it's because yesterday's expansion. It might be a little chopper today, and it's also counter trend. What's my Twitter? Let me re-download Twitter actually. To be honest, I don't have right now. I'm probably gonna have to wait for 10:30 to find anything else. Yeah. Yeah, wait for another 90-minute cycle probably. Let me put my Twitter in chat real quick. I just need to re-download it. I deleted most of my social media recently because I was just like, I feel like it's wasting my time a bit. Give me a sec. I put in my live stream bio thing too. Locked in, no social media. Yeah, for real, actually. I just been like, I mean, I don't know, it just feels like like brain rotting. I know all of us, I mean, not all of us, but a lot of us experience a lot of brain rotting, so. Alright, I'll put it in chat. should probably get verified, huh? That's my Twitter. Oh, why does it print like that? I'll just do there you go. That's my Twitter.
Watching this 15-minute candle, if we get a change state delivery, then I'll probably take a stab at a long.
I would enter. So, it is counter trend, so I'll just keep that in mind. So you have to be very cautious when taking this trade. But we have a previous day, a previous month high SMT. So if you can see here, ES takes out the high. YM does as well, but NQ cannot close above. So that is like the first indication on higher time frame. And then we have, I don't really use 90-minute cycle that much yet, but there's 90-minute cycle SMT as well. And then there's also 15-minute SMT this morning with YM. So it's just almost like stacked, or not almost, it is stacked SMTs, and we are also in a premium. So as you can see, this is my daily chart. I use 90-minute as daily chart, and I pretty much put a range on the last leg, last clear leg, and we are in premium. So that is why I like, if I was on the charts and if I was trading this earlier, I would take this short, but I'm not. I don't trade at 8 a.m. So that's why, that's the idea behind the short. So yeah, I mean, there's not really much to it. You have to play it very safe. That's why I put these TPs here, like previous session low. Keep it very conservative because you're trading counter trend. So if you like zoom out even further, I mean, as you can tell, recently we've been just super bullish, like just big candles, right? So yeah, that's the idea behind it. I hope that helps. I usually only do ICT traders on Twitter. Everything else is when I'm bored. Yeah. I don't even know what's on my Twitter. Isn't it look bullish now after taking London low, and there should be an SMT? Yes. So I haven't really mentioned it in stream, but it's because I don't use it that much, I'd say. But so there's 15-minute wick to body SMT right now. So right here you see how this pretty much where my TP1 is, right? So NQ takes it. Yes, YM does not. As you can see, wick to body, nothing. And then after a sweep, this is kind of a different model, I'd say, but it's more like order flow and supply and demand kind of thing. But inversion of this gap, and then inversion of this order block. So that's why I marked this order block earlier, because I was just looking at this order block and see if it holds. And this may create the 15-minute. Oh, I mean, it definitely looks like it's creating the 15-minute change in state delivery with the 15-minute SMT, and then we'll be more bullish. And as I mentioned earlier, our narrative and order flow has been bullish. So this would be trading with the trend. So this would be a not bad trade, but I'm not entering. I'm done for the day. It's also like almost 10:30. But I don't know, there has been some PM trades, so.
I'm just waiting for this 15-minute candle closure. If it closes and creates a change state delivery with both of these down close candles, the 9:45 candle, then I'm down.
Yep. So if I was trading this, it'd be something like this. So after it respected that order block I marked out, like a lot earlier, with a 1 minute change of state, I wouldn't stay on the 1 minute anyways, but it'd be something like this. And then you can target previous session high for a quick 4.7, or you can do Asia, but I would do probably previous session high at this point. Just keeping in mind the time of day as well, if you have enough volume to even reach these kind of targets. If that makes sense. Create a 5 minute gap. So if or once this creates the change of state, it should be probably the second idea of the day, and then that'd be it. Yeah, that's my target previous session high. Yeah. I think it's a pretty, if you have more low time frame confirmations, I think it's a pretty good solid target. So chilling, not a lot of gaps too, like there's wiki buy side liquidity. So but wait for candle closure, guys, for confirmation, as we learned earlier. I'm gonna go bathroom. Be right back.
Yep. We got 3 minutes in this 15-minute candle closure. Nothing interesting so far. I just don't really like how the 5 minutes moving here, to be honest.
All right, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Two minutes. Market's dead. Not the line. Yeah, it's just so, I don't know. That's why I'm like, I don't even want to, like, I do kind of see how it can go higher, and I did have an entry before, but I'm just not gonna take it. I'm good. Trump speaking at 15, orange folder. Yo, why is Trump speaking orange folder? I feel like it's red folder at this point. Do you think if price breaks 24.4? Like up here? Price breaks 2400, we'll see lower prices. Why specifically 21.4? Is it creating SMT? I mean, if it creates an SMT, yeah, good. Trump speak? Must he? Yeah, I hope. Whenever he opens his mouth, man, terrifying. I think I'm gonna end stream. You guys know what SMTs I was looking at and my overall narrative, and I'm looking at it. I do think it's gonna chop for a bit, but there could possibly be a PM expansion like there has been in like the last 2 weeks. But it's not my time, not my trade, so it's not for me. I'm good. So if you guys do continue to trade, please be safe. Keep in mind SMT's formed. 15-minute SMT in the low right now. Which could
I'm also gonna be done for the day. The 15-minute, like, it created change in state delivery, but that's a horrible change in state delivery. So I'm just gonna call it here with 1 hour in the day.
Yeah, it's not very engulfing. But yeah, please be safe, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be on tomorrow. So I'll see you guys. Peace.